Hello everyone, my name is Kuntal Patel and I am going to represent a team project on robot controlled by Arduino and xbee. My team member is Malinder Korvik and Pradeep Maurya. We have created this robot which works on xbee and it's working through wirelessly connectivity from one xbee to another one, and as you can see in diagram, there is a laptop connected to the zigbee, and that zigbee sends wirelessly signals to at 2.4 gigahertz frequency to the robot, and there is another zigbee antenna mounted on the zigbee on the robot, so that receives the signals, and according to the signal it moves forward, backward, and takes left and right turn. Let me introduce what is the ZigBee. ZigBee is wireless module to provide wireless endpoint connectivity between two devices. ZigBee operates in the industrial, scientific and medical ISM radio band 868 MHz in Europe, 915 MHz in the USA and Australia, and 2.4 GHz in most jurisdictions worldwide. Data transmission rate vary from 20 to 250 kilobits per second. This module uses the IEEE 802.15.4 networking protocol. There is a two ZigBee transmitter and receiver. The one transmits at 2.4 GHz and other one can receive or either transmit at the same frequency 2.4 GHz. There is a baseboard of Arduino, and on that board there is a microcontroller use 8 mega 328 microcontroller. On that microcontroller we have done the programming which can run motors of the robot. This is the programming screen where we use the application which is available from the Arduino website, and we have written the program in C and C++ coding. The Arduino IDE is platform application written in Java, and it's easy to use for compile, run, and all the options. It's a navigation buttons given. There is a motor shield which we have used, and there is a two L293D dual H bridge ICs and one 74HC595 serial to parallel output latch IC is mounted on the motor shield. There is a good facility of the Arduino board that we can use the different kind of shields to provide different connectivity. So this motor shield is for running the two motors forward backward according to the commands given on the Arduino board via ZigBee. There is another shield is ZigBee shield which we used to mount the ZigBee on top of it. So this two shield plus the Arduino board, and finally there is a ZigBee antenna on main surface mounted on the ZigBee shield, so which receives the signals from the laptop, and according to that it sends the command serial data to the Arduino board, and according to that data Arduino board gives the command to motor shield to run the motor. There is a ZigBee configuration screen which we configure the ZigBee antenna, and we can also give the encryption key for provide the security, and we have given security pre-configured to obtain during joining. So before uh, we join the two ZigBee antenna, we have provided the security key so that no other ZigBee antenna can interfere between their communication. Finally, the ZigBee application. Right now there are a lot of ZigBee applications available in the market. Currently, first of all in Singapore, they implemented automatic meter reader machine, and that reads meter reading from the houses or buildings and gives to the gateway and transfer it to the utility energy management system. So that way it is useful, and right now in Toronto Hydro also is implemented. And there is another thing of hotel energy cost saving. So in this diagram there is a two ZigBee antenna mounted, so when customer enters to the room, and lights are turning on and off according to it. Special thanks for Carl Lopez and Kelly from Humber College and Headlab.to. Thank you.